This video cost me, I think, $250 to produce, and it ended up producing 20,000 US. In the last year, it's close to 7 figures. In Q4 alone, I did 400,000, nearly $500,000 in AdSense revenue.
Every time a goal is scored in La Liga, Goldman Sachs & Co. will earn more than 170,000 euros. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. With football having risen to a global billion-dollar business, the people who control the money are becoming more powerful and start pulling the strings. Real Madrid's stadium, the sale of Chelsea, Barcelona's debt, the European Super League. When money moves in football, banks like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs are not far away. This is one of the most watched videos on the Formula One YouTube channel. Humans are fascinated by catastrophes. There even is a word for people staring at accidents: rubbernecking. Formula One's own YouTube channel is the proof. The majority of the most watched videos feature high-speed collisions. Explosions and crumpled metal are on the thumbnails to make you click. Forget the Netflix effect and Drive to Survive.